Susanna.
Welcome to your bedroom. Wait,
Welcome to their bedroom.
Are you not going?
Everyone, you live. No, not yet. Not yet.
Ну включи свет.
That's an elephant eating grass. That's a filled up swine. Raindrops, rain clouds. Just don't send this to Cosmo or Susanna.
And there's David.
Oh, this is a bug.
David, you talk too much, you know that?
Just don't send this to Cosmo or Susanna. They're not my
Who's
favorite.
Cosmo?
The surgeon. So raindrops,
Cute.
flowers. Look, the
okay.
7-year-old, the 70-year-old.
It took us an hour and a half.
What
to cut out
is
the
it?
raindrops.
What is it?
Rainforest.
Cosmo and Susanna.
It's a rainforest.
Wow.
Took us an hour and a half to take this.
Do you like
raindrops.
my elephant?
Ходить машинка.
But how are you gonna, like,
Oh, these are notes for
Cards.
you.
These are the
how are you
cards.
gonna sleep
Which
here?
one you can read? You.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Alright. Okay, this is for Rachel. Read it out loud.
You girls are both really nice and pretty when you first came. You were shy, but now you are like one of our best friends.
Aww,
Love, Michelle,
Aw.
and David.
that's nice. We're really glad that you came to Pennsylvania. You're really nice and pretty, and you're a lot of fun and run really fast. I hope you enjoy the rest of your stay with us. Love, Michelle, Emily, David.
Oh my.
Wow,
Oh, that is sweet.
that is so sweet.
And these two are from you.
Which ones?
These.
Oh yeah, those are for you. For me. Yep.
Don't send this to Cosmo, Susanna, or
David, I got it. Oh, who?
or Alina.
I will send it to Alina.
Just not Cosmo.
You can't sleep here. You can't
David,
sleep.
you talk too
Not
much.
Susanna, not Cosmo.
You ruined it.
I'm gonna let you win tomorrow.
What?
Running.
Okay?
She's gonna get to. You're not even gonna be here. You're gonna be at Sliders.
Настя,
Oh no,
это
Genius.
ты тоже разговариваешь?
Женя, Геня.